What if I told you the next electric SUV doesn't just go fast? It brings back features we haven't seen in decades, and somehow makes them feel futuristic again. This is the 2026 GMC Hummer EV SUV. And once you hear what it does, you'll understand why people can't stop staring at it. First, imagine pressing one single button, and every window in your SUV drops at the same time. Front, back, even the rear window. It's an instant open-air moment, like the car just exhales. No menus, no holding switches, just boom. And yes, to roll them back up, you do it the old-school way, one by one. Next, the rear door. This thing doesn't lift like a normal hatch. It swings open like a barn door, and it's power-operated. Press a button, it opens and stays. Press again, it closes itself. No awkward reaching, no fighting gravity. It feels heavy, solid, and weirdly satisfying. Now this part catches everyone off guard. The Hummer EV has 3 windshield wipers. Not because it looks cool, but because the windshield shape is so massive and unusual. They actually needed 3 to clean it properly. It looks strange until you realize it makes perfect sense. And then there's the roof. Yes, T-tops are back. 4 removable panels let you open the SUV without fully committing to a convertible. Sun above you, wind around you. It feels like the past and the future shaking hands. But here's where it gets crazy. This thing has king crab mode. When you activate it, the rear wheels steer more aggressively than the front. The SUV pivots sideways like a giant remote control toy. Tight turns feel effortless. Off-road, incredible. Parking lot, absolutely hilarious. Now, quick reality check. That massive rear spare tire looks awesome. But when you tow something, it forces the hitch lower than normal. It's a compromise. But honestly, with everything else this SUV does, most people won't care. So here's the real question. Is the 2026 Hummer EV SUV the most fun electric SUV ever made? Be honest. Would you hit the one-button window drop first? Or try king crab mode in a parking lot just to see what happens? Let me know in the comments.